Welcome to Adra Solutions. Here the question is, find the intercepts made by the line 4x minus 5y plus 20 is equals to 0 on the coordinate axis. Let's solve this solution in two ways. Method 1 or the way 1 is as follows. Reduce the equation 4x minus 5y plus 20 into the form of x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Here x by a plus y by b is equals to 1 is said to be the intercept form of a line equation. So let's solve this equation. Here we have 4x minus 5y is equals to 20. Here we are writing this plus 20 to the right side as minus 20 and now dividing the whole equation on both sides by minus 20. So we get here 4 and 20 gets cancelled, and here 5 and 20 gets cancelled, and here minus 20 and minus 20. So the remaining is x by minus 5 plus y by 4 is equals to 1. Thus the x-intercept is minus 5 and the y-intercept is 4. Here the denominator of the x is said to be its x-intercept and the denominator of the y is said to be the y-intercept. So here a is minus 5 and b is 4. So these are said to be the intercepts made on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. These are the required coordinate axes. Intercepts made by the line 4x minus 5y plus 20 is equals to 0 on the coordinate axis. Let's see the second method. In this method, we know that if a line L meets x, y axis respectively at a comma 0 and 0 comma b as shown in the graph, then a and b are the x and y intercepts respectively. This is because the other coordinates remains 0. So if a point on the x-axis where the y coordinate is 0, then that point is said to be the intercept of that line. Similarly, with respect to y-axis also. Therefore, it is enough to find the points of intersection of the line and the coordinate axis. So to find the points of intersection of the line 4x minus 5y plus 20 is equals to 0 and x-axis we have to put y is equals to 0. This is because we have already defined intercepts as a point where the coordinate of the opposite axis remains 0. So here on the x-axis we have to find the intersection. So we have to put y is equals to 0. So putting y is equals to 0 in the given equation, we get 4x minus 5 of 0 plus 20 is equals to 0. 4x plus 20 is equals to 0. That implies 4x is equals to minus 20. That implies x is equals to minus 20 by 4, which is minus 5. So the x-intercept is minus 5. Similarly, for the y-intercept, put x is equals to 0 in the given equation. So we get 4 of 0 minus 5y plus 20 is equals to 0. Here minus 5y is equals to minus 20. That implies y is equals to minus 20 by minus 5. Minus gets cancelled and 5 4 is 20. So therefore y is equals to 4 and this is the y-intercept of the given line. Hence the coordinate axis, intersection of the line with the coordinate axis are formed, which are x is equals to minus 5 and y is equals to 4. Thank you. Follow for more.